KEF has spent decades perfecting hi-fi and home cinema audio. But would you believe this? The KEF XIO is their first ever soundbar. And as you're about to see, it doesn't just join the competition, it aims to redefine it. At over 1.2 meters wide and weighing 10.5 kilograms, the KEF XIO isn't shy about making a statement. Its minimalist design comes in black or gray, but look closer and you'll see craftsmanship that puts it a cut above your average soundbar. Beneath the surface lies a powerful 5.1.2 setup, 2 full-range drivers, 4 P185 bass units, and 6 UniQ MX drivers, 2 of which fire upward for Dolby Atmos magic. It's all powered by 12 Class D amplifiers, delivering 820 watts of sonic muscle. Translation: when you crank it up, your neighbors will know exactly what you're watching. Whether it's an explosive blockbuster or your favorite playlist, the KEF XIO promises an audio experience that's unmistakably KEF. Switching from Straight Outta Compton the movie to Straight Outta Compton the album, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay, Google Cast, and Spotify Connect, it's seamless, and both sound phenomenal. For bass lovers, there's even an optional wireless receiver to pair a KEF subwoofer, no cables required. At £1,999 or $2,500, the KEF XIO is a serious investment. But with exquisite design, jaw-dropping power, and KEF's signature audio finesse, it could be the ultimate soundbar for audiophiles and film buffs alike. So, is this the soundbar that finally replaces your hi-fi setup? With the KEF XIO, it just might be.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.